Nurse? Somebody help me. Need to push this gurney away from the door. What's going on in there? Where is everybody? I need to find some meds. Concentrate. Pain meds. Just what I need. What? I gotta get out of here. Should fit if I crouch. I need to stay low. Move slowly so they don't notice me. I don't make any noise when I'm crouched. Takes them longer to spot me if I'm crouched. Better stay low here so they don't see me. Gotta roll to get out of this. I can't get me while I'm rolling. What the hell happened here? So many dead. I don't know. There are too many here. I should try and keep a low profile. I can roll when I'm crouched. Stay hidden even when I need to move quick.
Hey you! What's that bandage for? Did you get bit?
Bit? No, I got shot.
Shot? You even know what's going on?
I'm a cop. Woke up today in the hospital. That's all I know.
First, you need proper clothes. There's a sheriff's cruiser just up the road. Might have something that'd fit you. Then, you need to know about the walkers. The one I just shot, he'd have ripped into you. Tried to eat you. If this is the first you're hearing it, you need to listen up. There are a few walkers on the street after the barricade. But let's get you some clothes before we deal with them.
Got it.
Rick, stay on this channel so we can talk. I'm watching from the roof.
Copy. After that, I need to go find my family.
The best way to take these things down is nice and quiet. Stab them in the head. But stabbing takes a lot out of you. Be careful, else you run out of stamina when you need it most. Now try using a bat to smash them in the head. Good. Use the bat to knock them back. When they're stunned, that's when you're going for the kill.
Blood's boiling. Right through the skull.
Easier than stabbing, right?
Time to smash some skulls.
Then, release it all at once to execute a walker.
Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! Yeah! How do you like that?
Feel that? Your adrenaline goes up every time you hit or kill one of those walkers. That'll